Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll unravel the secrets of extracting the last n words from a string. In this session, we'll explore two distinct methods, utilizing a formula based on the mid function and employing VBA. Join us as we dive into the intricacies of string manipulation. Let's explore the first method, employing a formula based on the mid function to seamlessly extract the last n words from a string in Excel. If you prefer a formulaic approach, the mid function proves to be a powerful tool. Begin by understanding the structure of your string in cell B1. The formula, like this one. The formula uses the mid function to extract the characters from the second to last space. The mid function accepts three arguments: the number of characters to extract, the starting position, the text to work with. The text is from column B, and the number of characters can be large enough to ensure that the last two words are taken. The task is to figure out where to start, just after the second to last spot. The sophisticated work is mostly done with the substitute function, which accepts an optional input called instance number. This function is used to replace the second to last space in the text with the hash character, which is then found using the find function. It can be adapted based on your specific requirements. This formula cleverly locates the position of the last space in the string, allowing you to extract the desired words. Customize it as needed for your particular scenario. Moving on to the second method, we'll leverage VBA to introduce a more dynamic and automated solution for extracting the last n words from a string in Excel. For those seeking a programmatic approach, VBA provides a robust solution. Open the Visual Basic for Applications editor by pressing Alt plus F11. Insert a new module and paste the following code. Save and close the editor. Now, you can use this function in your worksheet, like this. Equals extract last n words, B1. 3, where B1 is the cell containing your string, and 3 is the number of words you want to extract. This VBA code offers a versatile and automated solution to your string extraction needs. If you found the methods for extracting the last n words from a string in Excel helpful, don't hesitate to share this video with others who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful Excel tutorials and tips. Stay tuned for upcoming content that will enhance your spreadsheet skills. Thanks for watching.